Xiaomi has announced the global variants of its 13 series at MWC 2023, and here's our first look at the Xiaomi 13. The Xiaomi 13 comes in three colors: white, black and flora green. It comes with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, but the storage remains the same at 256GB across both configurations. The smartphone starts at €999 or roughly Rs 87,600. The Xiaomi 13 has a glossy back glass panel with the Xiaomi branding at the bottom and a prominent camera module on the top. It has chrome finished metal side rails with the power key and volume buttons on the right. The USB Type-C charging port, SIM slot, speaker grill and microphone are all located at the bottom. The phone gets stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos enhancement. The Xiaomi 13 is quite slim at 7.98 mm in thickness and weighs 189 grams. It is also IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. The Xiaomi 13 is equipped with a 3-camera setup on the back, which includes a 50-megapixel primary with OIS, a 10-megapixel telephoto and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. These cameras are engineered in collaboration with camera and lens manufacturer Leica, similar to the Xiaomi 13 Pro. For the front camera, the Xiaomi 13 uses a 32-megapixel sensor. The Xiaomi 13 has a Full HD Plus 6.36-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, which is HDR10+ and Dolby Vision certified. The display has a peak brightness of 1900 nits. The 13 has a 4500 mAh battery with support for 67-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The Xiaomi 13 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. The smartphone runs on MIUI 14, which is based on Android 13. That's it for our first look at the Xiaomi 13. Do let us know what you think about it in the comments. We've got lots more coverage from MWC 2023, so don't forget to check out gadgets360.com for all the updates, and make sure you're subscribed to our social channels so you don't miss all our MWC coverage live from the show floor.